Hello, guys. This is Vaish here regarding another update on the COVID 19 situation that is going on. So, it's some good news actually from our country. The DRDO has developed a medicine, a drug which can be used on patients, that too on severe patients, and that is going to bring about a drastic change in the huge number of cases and this oxygen demand and all these problems which we are facing may get solved. Okay, if this is going to work on everyone. So it should work because since the last 1 year the testing has been going on. It's a very detailed current affair, if you can tell, if it's for UPSC students. So this testing was going on. I'll tell you the entire details, like what is the name of the drug and how it is used, and it is approved now, and how much level of testing was done. Everything in detail in this video I'll tell you. So please watch till the end, especially as I told, if you are a UPSC aspirant, this is something which is very important in our country and also for the world. So DCGI, Drug Controller General, has approved anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO for emergency use. Okay, this is the headline, and it's going like since evening. It's going around the entire news channels, and you should have ideally read it by now. Okay, and it is approved for emergency use as an adjunct therapy in moderate to severe coronavirus patients. Okay, it's like for moderate to severe. It's not like for like mild symptoms you have, or you're just thinking like you have this slight temperature and you are going to consult. It's not for you. Okay, there are many patients across India, and in many states people are dying. The real numbers are not even coming out. So the situation is very bad. So for all those things, okay, the people who are suffering and people who have this oxygen shortage, everything, this medicine is going to work, and that is why it is given as a emergency use drug, and that too in adjunct therapy. Okay, that is, it is a treatment used together with the primary treatment to assist it. Not like this is the only treatment, because we have put out several videos in the past. Before also we told about a doctor telling about vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C in the same channel. The video is there which I put yesterday. Vitamin C has helped him, like it saved his life. Okay, because other treatments are not working. But that doesn't mean like a patient is admitted, you have to directly take this vitamin C. It depends on the doctor's advice and the situation of your body. Okay, so the condition demands it, then the doctor will advise, and based on that you have to follow anything. So this one, Indian government as a whole has approved it, and this is going to be in use immediately. So the drug's name, okay, which is the most important, this 2DG which you see, drug 2 sorry, the drug name is 2-deoxy D-glucose. Okay, so it's a variant of glucose only, so that's why it's easy to use, also easy to generate also, and that's why it's going to be rapidly produced and given to entire India. So it helps in faster recovery of hospitalized patients and reduces supplemental oxygen dependence. Okay, so because this is the major thing which is going on since last 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, you can tell, this is the news is going on. People are dying because of oxygen shortage, no ventilator support, no system available. So and black marketing of oxygen things are going on. So this kind of things all are ruining the situation. So this drug, okay, is going to help us overcome that. So it is developed by the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science. Okay, INMAS. So INMAS also becomes important for you, for UPSC students. In the starting, which I told, okay, DCGI, which ministry it comes under. Okay, Ministry of Health, that also you have to know. So this INMAS is a laboratory under DRDO. DRDO, you know, it's like whenever there is a problem for the country, it always steps up. Okay, because it has that many laboratories, that many units which work on different aspects in this country. And DRDO's INMAS is what has developed this. Okay, in association with Reddy's Laboratories in Hyderabad. So this one drug, okay, it's a generic molecule, an analog of glucose, as I told. It can be easily produced and made available in plenty in the country. Okay, that it's in like powder format. Okay, it's in powder form in a sachet, and is taken orally by dissolving it in the water. So this, along, as I told, along with the treatment is going on, this will be given. This will be given to the patients, that to moderate to severe cases, not like the mild symptoms or the person who is just admitted. Okay, person whose situation is very bad and who is in that much need. Okay, including people who are above 65 years of old. Okay, this testing has been done and it is working on them. Okay, the things is working, and I'll show you the time period also, like how much it takes now. So it what this medicine does, it accumulates in the virus infected cells and prevents virus growth by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. Its selective accumulation in virally infected cells makes this drug unique. Okay, so you know, like the lungs are getting affected, the cells there will be getting damaged, and then your respiration, everything is completely getting blocked, and that is why ultimately it lead to the death also. So this one is going to selectively go and target the virus infected cells, and that is what we need, and that is why this drug is unique. So that is why this is immediately given approval. Okay, it has been found to be effective. and the significantly favorable trend, that is 2.5-day difference, was seen in the terms of median time to achieving normalization, okay, of specific vital sign parameters, meaning patient to come back to the normal normal signs, because when you get this disease, your breathing, everything is getting affected, and for you to come back to normal, you are put into oxygen support and the treatment is done, and it takes a few days. Okay, people are that's why the fight for the beds are also going on. One patient is occupying a bed for a longer time because of this situation, okay, and that is like helpless, nobody can do anything about it. So that is why oxygen generation is going on one side, beds are being arranged one side, but now this medicine is going to make a 2.5-day difference, okay, as a mean number they have taken this much at least difference, meaning a person takes 7 days to recover, now it will be in 4.5 days he is getting recovered, okay. So this one, DRDO has started this work last year itself, when Prime Minister have told last year itself, like our institution should start making these drugs and work on the vaccine, work on the possibilities of new things, because India has always been known as the vaccine hub. Okay, whatever is if you see the export import ratio numbers and all, India has always been number one when it comes to pandemics and epidemics. You take the history of it, you will understand. So this one has been in preparation since last April. Okay, April 2020. You know, March. I think the lockdown was told last year, March 2020. From that time, this DRDO scientists have been working on it. Okay, with the help of this Hyderabad Institute, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, and they found that this molecule works effectively against SARS-CoV-2 and inhibits the viral growth. Okay, so that is what has been proved also over this last 1 year. The testing has been going on. So in May 2020, DCGI's Central Drug Standard Control Organization permitted the phase 2 trial. Okay, because they found that this molecule can kill the virus, they have allowed the second trial. Okay, second phase. So that also was done. And then by October 2020, okay, 3 to 4 months of testing was done, and the drug was found to be safe in COVID-19 patients and showed significant improvement in their recovery. Then the phase 2A was conducted in 6 hospitals, and phase 2B was also conducted at 11 hospitals all over the country, and phase 2 trial was conducted on 110 patients. Okay, so this was done on 110 patients randomly from across cities, across states, and this was proved to be successful. In November 2020, the DCGI further permitted the phase 3 trial, and phase 3 clinical trial was conducted on 220 patients from December to March 2021. Okay, till last 2 months before it was being done. Okay, so for 1 year it was tested across people, across patients, and that is how it came to be known as known that this is actually effective. Okay, the final report was given, the detailed report after phase 3 trial to the DCGI, and the result or the conclusion which they came up to, okay, after seeing all this 3 rounds of trials across people: early relief from oxygen therapy or dependence. Okay, because oxygen is what is the problem now. So this one will help you come out of this oxygen need. Okay, patients no need to be on oxygen for that much time. Their oxygen levels are coming back to normal through this medicine if it is given as per doctor's advice. Okay, so again, as I told, everything should be as per doctor's advice. So this is the news. And about vaccination which is going on. Okay, vaccination is open for everyone now, and you have to go and take. Okay, the registration, the website may be down sometimes, maybe your nearest location is not available, but you have to keep trying. Every 2 days you have to keep trying, and in one phone number, I think around 4 people are allowed. Okay, 4 people are allowed to be selected, registered. Okay, so please do that, because this much large vaccination drive is being done so that you are safe, and you are making others also safe. Okay, who is near you. And obviously, whenever you take any vaccine, okay, let it be rabies vaccine or any kind of vaccine, you are going to get some this thing, side effects. Okay, maybe it's like a fever, or maybe some headache, rashes on your body, something is going to happen, but that will be there for 1 or 2 days and it will go down. You don't have to take any other medicine for that. You don't have to suppress it with any other paracetamol kind of tablet. Okay, you just have to take the vaccine, and then it will go away. The symptoms, that will not for everyone. Okay, for very few people, symptoms or side effects will be there after this, but that will go away. And then after that, the second dose also has to be taken, depending on whether you're taking Covishield or Covaxin. You have to take the second dose. They will tell you, like, maybe 56 days or 3 months. Based on that, you have to take that, and then after that only you will be safe. It's not like one dose you take and immediately, like, you are immune of the entire COVID thing. So this is the time you have to take the vaccine. And please share this video to everyone who is looking for genuine updates. Okay, not like whatever is going on in the mass media and social media, because if you keep following that kind of news, you will not get the final point also, and you will be simply diverted. Okay, so please see to that you get the real updates. So share this thing so everybody stay safe, because whatever happens, you have to follow the rules which is told. Okay, the social distancing, not going out, then wearing the double mask now. Okay, and washing hands, all these things you have to keep doing. This is like instructed from World Health Organization, also from our ministries, so you have to follow it. Okay, because only together we can defeat this or end this entire thing. It is going to take a long time. Okay, what thing can be done in 2 months, it will take 2 years. So please see to that you follow everything, I'll come up with more updates. Please follow this channel, hit subscribe so that you will know when we put any video. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.